Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland E-A7 keyboard and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this keyboard not working or not responding, if it seems to be lagging and stuff like that, we can fix a lot of those issues with a hard reset. The second reason is if you've just got a whole bunch of your presets and configurations, all that stuff, you're not going to want to undo them all by hand. If you just want to get a fresh start and wipe everything back to the out-of-the-box default settings, we can do that quite simply. All we're going to do it from the menu. So we're going to access the menu, and then from the menu, we are going to select this screen here, this P2, the second button underneath the right-hand screen, which says P2 to get to the second page of the menu. And from there, we're going to these buttons here, we're going to select the one that is across from Utility. And then once we hit Utility, it will open a second menu, and one of them will say Factory Reset. Then you'll hit the Factory Reset button, and then under the screen, it'll have a yes and a no. You'll just hit the button underneath the yes to confirm it, and then the screen will display executing. And then when the backup has completed, you can then turn it off and turn it back on and set it up like a new device.